Introduction. Options trading began in the 19th century. The beginnings of options trading coincided with the time when stock trading commenced. However, the scenario is different, as newspaper advertising would have to be used at the time so that option buyers can find option sellers. It can be assumed that, during that time, options trading had not yet gained ground in the market. Options trading started officially in 1848, when the Chicago Board of Trade was founded and options contracts began to trade in the United States. Other exchanges began to trade options when the Chicago Board of Trade, Kansas City Board of Trade, Minneapolis Grain Exchange, and the New York Cotton Exchange commenced to trade contracts involving options. However, options trading was still not popular as an option to invest into the market. The apparent reason for this low popularity is the low options liquidity during that time. Significant changes came only in the middle of the 20th century when the Chicago Board of Options Exchange was opened and paved the way for options trading. Since then, liquidity of options grew tremendously, making it as a pull factor for spectators to trade options. Another important milestone was achieved in 1977, when options puts started to trade on the Chicago Board of Trade. In 1985, the NYSE and the NASDAQ began to trade equity options contracts. Since then, options trading has been a popular way of investing into the market. The reason for this popularity is high liquidity and significant leverage. Today, there is a wide range of the options that exist on the market. Options on equities, futures, indexes, and currencies may be considered by investors. However, options trading is still regarded as one of the extremely high-risky kinds of investment on the market, where one may lose all invested capital. As mentioned above, options trading is highly risky if one is not equipped with great skills and basic knowledge about it. It pays a lot to know everything there is about trading options before you begin. If you are not equipped with enough knowledge and skill, you can lose all your capital in the first hours or days of the deal. What you need to get is the proper and correct information in order to gain success in this venture. If you are given the wrong information, you can lose everything. This guide is geared to do just that. The aim is to assist those who are new to the venture of options trading, and even those who seek some refresher or basic information, even whilst already an options trader. It will provide sufficient information so that beginners may learn and apply strategies so that they may be successful options traders. It is hoped that after reading this guide, you will be able to create passive income, make money, and create financial freedom.